Probably the most valuable thing that a record producer brings to a session is actually a tangible step-by-step plan to help an artist manifest their vision. Because you see, the right structure generates focus, clarity, and momentum, and these are the key ingredients to allow creativity to grow, bloom, and bear fruit. And while I've been making records for over 2.5 decades now, it's only really the past few years that I've seen the positive impact of building a structure, not just in the studio, but for your life as a whole. Because when you're really clear on what's important to you, where you want to go, and you make a plan to do it, two big things happen. First, you create the context, you set the stage for the right opportunities, for the right people to find you, and you're able to deliver when they do. And second, you stop wasting time on pointless crap. In other words, clarity on what you want, on what's important to you, is basically the fastest way to make great music. And the fastest way to get that clarity, well, that's to zoom out, review, and make a plan. Like, can you imagine how good it's going to feel when you have certainty in your heart about where you want to go? You have clarity in your mind about the key milestones you're going to hit and the order you're going to hit them in. And then you have purpose in your actions about how you're investing your time, how you're spending your days, your hours, and your minutes. Now, today is December 29th. It's the end of the year, perfect time to make a plan, right? So that's why I'm actually going to be running a workshop for members of my online studio to help them build the structure to make 2023 their best year yet. So if you're someone who's committed to hitting new heights of creativity and new levels of results in your music, if you understand that a handful of hours invested in planning can pay you back over and over again well into the future, and if you'd like to work with me to guide you through a simple process to design your plan for 2023, then all the information that you need to join my online studio is available here. But please do be quick, because day one of the workshop is kicking off tomorrow. I'd love to see you there.